Hi, first grade. I hope you're having a great day. I wanted to share another story with you. This is called Why Do Rainbows Have So Many Colors? And this is a little bit different of a text than we maybe have read before. It will ask a question about something in nature, and then it will give kind of a silly, funny answer, and then it will tell you the real answer about that question in nature. So I thought you might enjoy it because it both has some funny things in it, but then it also does give some true information. So I hope you enjoy. This is Why Do Rainbows Have So Many Colors? Nature is wonderful. There are many mysteries to unravel in nature and fun things to learn. As you explore the world, you will make endless discoveries that will intrigue and amaze you. Why do rainbows have so many colors? Is it because leprechauns hide behind clouds with buckets of paint and paint them? No, that's silly. Rainbows have many colors because they are made from reflected sunlight, and sunlight is actually made of lots of different colors. Sunlight normally shines as white light, but when that white light hits the rain causes it to separate into red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. This makes a beautiful rainbow. Why do some trees lose all their leaves? Is it because they love to dance and accidentally shake off all their leaves? No, that's silly. Trees lose their leaves because it helps them survive cold or dry weather. Shedding leaves helps the trees to conserve or use less water, food, and energy to make it through the parts of the year that are colder or drier. Only some trees do this, and they are called deciduous trees. Before the leaves shed, though, they change from green to all sorts of beautiful colors. So we have a lot of deciduous trees around here, and then there's also evergreen trees that they stay green all the time. So that is what happens with the leaves. Why do some clouds have rain falling out of them? Is it because they are crying and the rain is their tears? No, that's silly. Some clouds have rain falling because they get too full of water. The hot sun causes water from the ground to evaporate and rise up into the sky. Then these tiny droplets cool and form clouds. As the clouds grow and gather more and more water, the water droplets combine and get bigger. And once they get too heavy, the water falls out as rain. And that's part of the water cycle where it will rain, the water will come onto the earth, the sun will heat it up, it will evaporate, but it will go back up into the clouds and turn back into water, and then just the cycle keeps repeating. Why do volcanoes stay quiet for so long and then suddenly erupt? Is it because they didn't get their way and are throwing a tantrum? Sounds funny to think about a volcano throwing a tantrum. No, that's silly. A volcano erupts when pressure from gases inside it build up so much that the volcano cannot contain them. Volcanoes have melted rock or magma inside of them, and magma has gases inside of it. From these gases, bubbles start to form, and this builds extreme pressure. This pressure makes the magma rise higher and higher until finally it is forced out of the volcano and spews into the air. Once the magma is outside of the volcano, it is known as lava. Why do flowers smell so good? Is it because they spray perfume all over themselves? No, that's silly. Flowers smell so good because they are trying to attract insects, birds, and other animals to them. Their pleasant smell comes from their nectar. Flowers need animals to transfer their pollen from flower to flower in order to have pollination. Pollination leads to seeds, which will lead to more flowers. A flower smelling good is nature's way of making sure we will always have more flowers. Nature is amazing. There are so many wonderful things to discover. Try to spot a rainbow, find a flower to smell, or listen to the sound of fall leaves crunching beneath your feet. It's great to go out into nature, explore, and have fun. So I hope you enjoyed that. I know I kind of chuckled thinking about those silly answers to the questions, and then, I always like to learn more about things in nature or all sorts of different things. So it was interesting to learn some more facts and information. So I hope you enjoyed the story. I hope you have a wonderful day, wonderful rest of your day, and I'll talk with you soon. Bye. Take care.